Hey guys, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm going to talking about the Mi Band 4. Before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and stay updated with the latest tech videos. Okay, so Xiaomi has confirmed that it will soon launch the next iteration of its fitness device, the Mi Band 4, on 11 June at an event in China. The Mi Band 4 is expected to come with a new color OLED panel that will be a bit bigger than the current model. The Mi Band 3. Some reports guess that the new Mi Band would come with NFC connectivity as well, but only in top trim. It would also be available in a wider range of colors. The outgoing Mi Band 3 is currently priced at 1999 Indian rupee and comes with a bunch of clever features, including the ability to receive notifications and read WhatsApp messages on the screen. It has a recessed control button which lets you navigate the watch and even accept and decline calls. It comes with Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity and is powered by a 110 mAh live polymer battery, which Xiaomi claims to provide 20 days of battery life. It is also water resistance up to 50 meters. What are you thinking about this product? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also subscribe to my channel for the daily content like this. I will catch you guys in the next ones. Peace out.